What up, YouTube? J-Dub here, and today I just got a quick one for you, I think. So, I bought new shift pegs for the Indian Challenger, and I'm just gonna have you guys take a look what's in the box and see if we can get these on. All right, guys, so here's one. This is for the front, and then this is the short stubby. This goes in the rear, okay? Not much. Pretty over-exaggerated box, to be honest with you. So you open the box. You have this. It's really nice looking. It says Indian Motorcycle on there. And a bolt. Same thing with the shorter one. So these are going to replace these here if I can get these off. Can I? I have no idea, but we're going to find out. Okay, so that was easy enough on the rear. Like I said, this is going to be a stud. So I believe it's a 6mm Allen. So let's, and yep, I was right. It's a 6mm Allen. So we're just gonna screw that in like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and say you're gonna want to orient this to where it actually, however you want it to say. I'm gonna want it to say Indian on top, I think. So do that and then tighten it down, and then that'll match the primary cover. That looks pretty good. Like I said, it's a little change, but it matches the primary cover and everything. I like that. Now we're gonna try the front. Okay, so this one was a little bit more challenging. I have to literally pry it off because it just doesn't want to. Slowly but surely, I'm gonna assume that that's probably to break it loose the first time. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's probably got Loctite on here. Yeah, I can see a little bit of the red Loctite on that, which is right there inside of Indian's MO. So okay, alrighty, and there we go. That one's off. Okay, now we gotta thread the new one in. And guys, like I said, this is deep, so you're most definitely gonna need like an extension that'll actually fit down the tube of this, just so you know. Like I said, very nice looking. Like I said, I like it because it'll match the components of the engine. I'm not sure how I feel about the nubby yet. Gonna have to use it a little bit to see if I... Okay, so once you get it started, just keep ratcheting her in there. Now, I'm gonna say once you get to the point where it starts tightening up, that's where you're gonna want to get your orientation right to match the rear. I think I got that good. And I'm gonna say go ahead and probably like have it down like that just a little bit, so when you turn it, it'll actually turn. There we go. That looks really nice. I like how that looks. Like I said, I don't know how to feel about the nubby yet, but worst case scenario, I could always change it out to one of these. So like I said, it feels pretty good. I like that these are just a pinch longer on the front than that one. This one here is a pinch shorter. So anybody who has the Kiriakin heel shifter will tell you sometimes it's not impossible to get your foot caught or your pant leg caught on this sometimes. Once I've oriented myself, it's not a big a deal anymore, but it does happen. So the nubby will should prevent that, to be fair. So yeah, like I said, guys, I think that looks really nice. Matches the engine and whatnot, so sweet. Once again, guys, quick video, but it's something that I did to the bike, so I wanted to show you guys. Oh, I gotta show you my new wall hanger, guys. This is so cool. Look at that. Ain't that neat? I picked that up on Etsy. I thought that was so cool how it blended the red and the white. Cool wall hanger. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Like I said, not a terrible install. Just getting the first initial break on the front peg loose was probably the most difficult part of it. But once again, looks nice. I like it. So we'll see how I feel about it when I write it. Don't know yet. I might hate it. So we'll see. But that's how you do the install. But got any comments, concerns, questions, whatever? Leave them down below. I try to get to everybody in the comments that I can. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I try to get back to everybody in the comments I can, but I really appreciate all the guys who share the videos, like the videos, and have subbed. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it. We're growing. Once again, anytime I think of videos to bring you guys, I'm going to do it. I've got a Santoro shift linkage coming. I'm excited for that. I'm curious to see if that'll take a little bit of slop out of the shifter. I don't know. We'll see. That should be here soon, so I'm going to do a video on the install for that. But, yeah, guys, right now, that's all I've got for you. So until next video.